Check out that hawk. See him? It's a hawk. Ah! There he goes. Do I weigh less than 5 tons? I hope so. I don't think I'm that heavy. Let's go this way. Back that way. There was a tent set up with some camping stuff. Does look like people have been here before. Looks like somebody made a hole to maybe like make like a fire or something. I mean, y'all know what that is. Somebody was on drugs, I believe. Can be a waste of money unless you need them. But yeah, don't do drugs. Instead of using drugs to get an experience, use that money, invest it. Using that money, you can travel, you meet new people and have new experiences, and through those experiences you grow and expand your knowledge and your world. Some people have it better than you, some people have it worse than you. If people have it worse than you, then you become grateful for what you have. And if people have it better than you, talk to them. If they have something you want, talk to them, learn from them, and grow as an individual that can give to society. Those are the best experiences. Think they have a beaver problem? Maybe. Bubbles!